I used to write letters, I used to sign my name. I used to sleep at night before the flashing lights settled deep in my brain. But by the time we met, the times had already changed. So I never wrote a letter, I never took my true heart, I never wrote it down. So when the lights got out, I was lost standing in the wilderness downtown. As I change and fall, as I change and fall, there's something pure and right, and there's something pure and right. And it seems strange how we used to wait for letters to arrive. Stranger still is how something so small